After a month-long trial and 9 days of deliberations, Los Angeles jurors found former movie producer Harvey Weinstein guilty of 3 of 7 charges against him. In a mixed verdict, the 12-member jury acquitted Weinstein of another sexual assault charge related to a different Jane Doe accuser. He was found guilty of rape and sexual assault of just one of the 4 accusers he was charged with abusing, in which prosecutors said he used his Hollywood influence to lure women into private meetings and assault them. Now, all of these accusations were tied to one of his accusers, a model and actress who testified the movie mogul assaulted her in a Beverly Hills hotel room in February 2013. The woman, identified as Jane Doe 1 in court, was the first to testify in the trial. Weinstein pleaded not guilty in both trials and denies all allegations of non-consensual sex. The 70-year-old faces up to 24 years in prison when sentenced. He is already serving 23 years in jail after he was convicted of rape and sexual assault in his first trial in New York 2 years ago. Rumors of Weinstein's impropriety had circulated in Hollywood for years, but his position at the apex of Tinseltown meant that few were prepared to challenge him. That all changed in 2017 with the publication of bombshell allegations against him, ushering in the Me Too movement and opening the floodgates for women to speak out against sexual violence in the workplace. More than 80 women have come forward with accusations of sexual assault and misconduct against Weinstein, spanning several decades. In the 1990s and the 2000s, Weinstein and his younger brother Bob were titans of the movie business, producing semi-final films like Pulp Fiction and distributing Oscar-winning dramas such as Shakespeare in Love and The King's Speech.
My client, to whom I just spoke, said that she's very happy that there was justice for other women and that she's willing to testify again if the prosecutor decides to retry Mr. Weinstein on the charge that was filed for her. Most importantly, he has been convicted, and that's because of the courage of those who were victims to testify. So we're happy about that result.